That was really down the memory lane. And what I really like to see is some of the people who have been part of my journey are still here today. That's the friendship that we've built from the partners that we've had along the way. And thank you for being here. So in 1996, when we decided to start making acoustic enclosures, our stage was just like Henry Ford's. If Henry Ford was to ask in 1896 any of his customers, what would they want as a better means or a faster means of transportation? And the answer would have been a faster horse. In 1996, legislation on silent gensets was 9 years away. And we were embarking on making silent gensets, focused on making acoustic enclosures. The first one we built was what we thought was an engineering marvel. We put it up on display and had one of the world's largest engine manufacturers, their country head, come and visit us. He gave it one cursory look, turned to Sunil and he asked, says, what are you making here? Railway wagons? So our entire year's effort was down the drain. Back to the drawing board, back to ideation, back to thinking. Sunil and I took a long trip through Europe and to the UK to understand the trends, to understand what was happening in the marketplace, came back with a lot of ideas. Our team, when told of the ideas, initially did not believe us. But the long story short was that they trusted us enough to put pen to paper. And in 1998, we displayed our first acoustic enclosure, acoustic genset at PowerGen Delhi. The product got us very rave reviews. In 1998, we had actually turned a major disadvantage into an advantage. I'm sure you guys know the story of David and Goliath. David, a small tiny man in front of Goliath the giant, and yet David wins. We were exactly the same position in 1998. We were minnows. We did not have an engine partner. Survival was difficult. Survival was the thought. But building something unique and getting noticed was an aspiration. A year later, when we launched our product at PowerGen Delhi, it got all the attention from the biggies in the industry. And we were contracted by Kirloskar Oil Engines to build their Kirloskar Green silent gensets, a task we completed by 2002. Completing the task, they invited us to join their OEM fraternity, and we accepted and got stuck there for the next 7 years. What we did in this period, we leveraged our strengths. In our business, that meant leveraging our unique capabilities and aspects of our business. We never underestimated ourselves. Our team was always confident of delivering something unique and always better than what the market wanted. We embraced imperfections. In our business, success is not based on perfection, but on the ability to embrace imperfections and learn from our mistakes. We adopted and innovated. We believe that smaller, more agile companies can outperform larger competitors by leveraging innovation, speed, and unconventional strategies. And we were not afraid to change our business models time and time again. A business size doesn't equal its power. Speed, nimbleness, and ability to take risks can be more powerful. So between 2003 to 2010, we continued the OEM journey. In 2010, our aspirations were to be a genset national player, while also looking at the global markets to expand our range and our geography. Between 2003 and 2021, we have delivered over 430 designs to various customers, all based on our 2003 concept of acoustic enclosures. And in 2021, the innovative bug bit again. We were listening to what our customers were saying. We were listening to what they were asking for and what was missing in the global supply chain and the global product range. In keeping with modern industrial thinking advocated by very well-known institutes, we applied design thinking for achieving what we have gathered here to witness. It was a way for us to see, approach, tackle the problems that customers faced in a new and innovative way and with a deeper understanding and viewing our customers' problems as ours. Design thinking is completely non-linear. It's an iterative process that teams to use, understand users, challenge assumptions, redefine problems, and create innovative solutions from prototype to test. We empathized, we understood our customer needs as being very different from what we are producing then. This required an open mind and a willingness to think differently and a lot of research to actually understand whether we could deliver what the customers wanted. We also understood the job to be done that the generator and acoustic enclosure was doing. The more we empathized, the better we understood our customers. And the better we understood our customers, the easier it was to define and find solutions. In the define stage, we put our customers' insights to work. The team really worked hard at capturing as much data as we could. Then we went to the ideate stage. Having defined the problem and having an in-depth understanding of what our customers needed, it was time to come up with something very tangible. We discussed with our design and manufacturing team led by Deepak Sonavne and Sachin Gauss. The ideation stage was marked the transition from identifying problems to exploring solutions. We did not restrict ourselves to a single idea. We had lots of them. With a list of several concepts to select from, we got more opportunities to design, build, and test, and had a greater chance of finding a solution that ticked all the boxes and had a deeper insight into what worked and what would not. We prototyped in 2022, tested in 2022, and we found the product getting rave reviews from whoever saw it. We showed it to some people from the industry who really appreciated the product and gave us a thumbs up to then expand on the range. While we were testing, we got all the notes done. We applied for the patent, and I'm very happy to tell you that we have now a global patent in the works. Even in the final test sessions, we are learning from the data that we collected, improving, tweaking, repositioning the solution, and making it optimal. The best is still yet to come. And thus, my friends, here we are at the culmination of all these efforts. To take this further, I'd like to invite GRP Pai Kane, Sunil Pai Kane, Swarup Naik, Deepak Sonavne, Ravi Srivastav, and Sachin Gauss to the stage, please.